So if you want to know the password of the network that you connected on using your PC, here's what you can do. You come to the taskbar and then you go to your network settings. So you right click on this icon and then you click on open network and internet settings. You open that. This should open up this pop-up, and then under this pop-up you see it shows you what you've already connected on. But you go to advanced settings, and then under advanced settings you come to adapter options. You click on this option and another pop-up will appear. It might have more than this or less depending on the drivers that you have, but since we're interested in the Wi-Fi option, which you want to know the password of the Wi-Fi that we connected on, you double click on this option, on the Wi-Fi option. You just double tap on it and then you will see that it shows this pop-up will appear. You click on the wireless property, and under wireless properties you come to securities. Then under securities, that's when it will show your password. So if you wanna see this password, you click on the show password and then it will ask you to confirm, and then it shows which password is that network that you connected on using. I hope you guys found this useful, and see you on the next episode.